If your thermostat calibration is off after a power outage, it can totally mess with your home's temperature and make you feel like you're living in a sauna or an igloo. Okay, so first up, when the power goes out and comes back, your thermostat might lose its settings, so don't freak if your heating or cooling feels way off. To fix this, start by checking if your thermostat has a reset button or a way to restore factory settings. This often resets the calibration. Next, manually recalibrate it by comparing the thermostat's displayed temperature with an actual room thermometer. If they're off by a couple of degrees, adjust the thermostat accordingly. Make sure to look up your specific model's manual online, because calibration methods can vary a lot. Also, if your thermostat runs on batteries, swapping them out after a power loss is key, since weak batteries can cause calibration issues. If it's a smart thermostat, reconnect it to Wi-Fi and check if there's a software update, as updates can fix bugs that mess with calibration. Keep an eye on how the temperature feels in different rooms to make sure the recalibration actually works. Finally, give your HVAC system a quick look over or call a pro if things still feel wonky. Sometimes the problem isn't just the thermostat, but the system itself. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat calibration after power outages is ignoring the need to reset or recalibrate, which leads to inaccurate temperature readings that waste energy and money. Fixing this just means taking the time to manually recalibrate or use reset options. Another common problem is not replacing old batteries in battery-powered thermostats after an outage. Weak batteries can cause the unit to misread temperatures or lose settings, so swapping in fresh ones helps tons. Lastly, some folks skip checking for firmware updates on smart thermostats. Missing these updates means you could be stuck with glitches that mess with thermostat performance, so always check for and install updates when you can. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great spot to find steady work from people nearby who really need home fixes and upgrades done right.